let's review Mika's Diamond Collection 3D mixer. It's about a 4-liter size mixer. It's affordable, it's low cost, and it's by far, in my opinion, the best for beginner bakers. And in this video, I'm just gonna break down the different components of this machine, how it works, its price point, efficiency, and all those things you need to know before you consider getting this mixer. So let's get started.
Retailing at about 9,000 shillings or about 8,995 bob. This is a super simple, super compact hand mixer slash stand mixer, which is perfect for any beginner baker or for any experienced baker who's just looking for something smaller to whip up a batch of cupcakes, or just like a simple 1.5 kg cake. So first we're gonna show you guys what's inside the box. So here we have our manual, our attachments. So here we got the whip attachment, and you also have the dough hook attachment, and also a manual and a spatula. Take off that first layer of styrofoam, and the electronic that comes inside is the hand mixer. It is just Mika standard hand mixer. You could get this on its own separately if you don't want to get the whole hand mixer situation. It goes for about 4,000 bob. I'll leave links for everything I talk about in this recipe in the links in the description box below, so if you'd like, you can go check them out. They're not affiliate links. So just gonna gently take everything off, and basically we have a stand mixer attachment. This is especially if you want to upgrade from a hand mixer and you want to do a couple of other things instead of just standing there and whipping by hand, which I find very monotonous. So really what I like to do is use this attachment. The release head comes up and down. If you'd like to move it, it's pretty smooth, but sometimes it can be really hard to push down and to pull up, which is a little bit of an inconvenience. It's not as snappy or as smooth. There's something wrong with the motor on that, and it's very easy for that to break, so please do be careful. This is not exactly a long-term solution. It's just something to keep you going for a couple of 2 years max, because personally I had one like this before. The bottom hand stand mixer part did end up stop moving eventually. That was about a year of active use, so then I just was left with a hand mixer for yet another year, and then I upgraded. But if you guys would like to know what I upgraded to, if you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I do have a Rebellion stand mixer which I use frequently. So along with the whole structure, we do come with a couple of other things. It comes with a spatula, and also comes with this spatula attachment, which I find is super amazing. I've never seen this in any other hand mixer slash stand mixer I have ever gotten in my life before. And what happens is it attaches to the back side of the hand mixer, and then when you're whipping round and round, it literally just scrapes it for you. Magic. Boom. I found that super creative, and it was really nice, especially if you just want to let things just keep going and you don't run. You could even forget about it, and once you come back, everything beautifully whipped up, and you'll not have any unwhipped material or batter or ingredients on the side of the bowl or at the bottom. It also comes with a spatula, which is super nice. It's nice and foldable, so you can easily scrape the bottom of the bowl, the sides, and get all the ingredients fully mixed in together, which I found was super amazing. It is great, especially if you let's say you're a kid like me and you want to upgrade from a hand mixer, or you want to upgrade from whisking by hand, which is truly a pain. Yeah, so if you really like to upgrade from that, you could totally get this. It's the most affordable one you can get at the price point, and for the kind of work that it is able to do, beautiful. It's amazing. The manual also comes with a couple of recipes, which if you guys would like me to try and show you, I would love to do so, along with recommended speeds for every single thing you might make. Now onto the dough hooks. They get extremely hot, especially if you're kneading things for long periods of time. It will heat up the dough significantly, so if you are doing this to make bread and stuff, I do not recommend you use the dough hook attachments, because they do heat up the dough and kill the yeast. As you can see here, the flatbreads stand out extremely not puffy and beautiful and all of that. No, they did not turn at all. I use them to make my kebab shawarmas. If you guys would like me to share the recipe, just comment down below and I'll get that done. So basically that's the whole thing. The beater attachments work beautifully. They're personally my favorite and the only part I use, and they're able to whip up cakes, cupcakes, cream, so you'll be sorted for a while. So that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave links to everything in the description box below. Make sure you follow me on my social medias. I'll have them right here, So make sure you subscribe for more amazing content every single Monday.